Okay, next feature down. Oh, this is a really cool one. This is related to decorated products and has been a frequently requested feature. If we take a look at my decorated products, I've got just a few here, but I've got one that I think we can use that as an example. So if I configure the product, we've added a new screen here under listing image. You've always been able to upload a replacement listing image if you didn't like the default product image that the system generates, which is a mock-up taking the image of the blank product that was used and then overlaying the graphic that was applied through the designer. If you didn't like whatever that image was, you could always upload a replacement image. The new option we've added here is to allow you to choose between the different views that you've decorated, or even blank ones, even ones that haven't had any decoration applied to them. Choose which view you want to use as the product image. So if we edit this decorated product, you'll see that I've applied decorations to both the front and the back of the product. The way the system has handled that up till now is it always uses the image of whichever view is first and has decorations applied to it. So in the case of this product, that would have been the front view. If this was left to default, the system would consider the front view the first view on the product that has a decoration on it. In this case, if we take a look at the product, the front view isn't too exciting, right? I do have a design on there, but it's a small left chest with just some text, embroidered text. So really the back design is a little bit more captivating, and so I may want to showcase the back design over the front design, even though the front is the first decoration area. So that's what this option now allows us to do, is go in and pick for each decorated product, which view do I want to feature. In this case, I'm going to feature the back view, and that flows throughout the entire site. So if we go into my products page, and let's see, I actually don't know if I have my decorated products page on. There it is. So it does flow through all the parts of the system. So here we are in the listing page where we're browsing for different products, and the system is using the back view as the default image. Similarly, when I click into the product, the system starts with that view already selected. So it starts me off looking at the back view. I could always go in and switch to take a look at the front, but it'll automatically select whichever one I set as the featured view. Okay, so a really handy feature. Again, there are a lot of cases where you may not want to highlight or feature the first view on a product. It's oftentimes on things like sport or school spirit wear sites where the front isn't, maybe that small of chest, and you want to feature a larger back design. So that's a really great feature that's going to come in handy for a lot of our users.